Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use appdome's no-code mobile integration platform as a service to implement the BlackBerry Dynamics EMM SDK into the Oracle.bi iOS app. I'm going to do this with no code or coding. The whole integration is going to take about a minute, and I'm going to show it to you end to end. I'm also going to implement customizations and extensions to the BlackBerry SDK, such as BlackBerry's in-app browser and in-app launcher, which ordinarily would be separate development projects. On appdome, there's just a couple of extra button clicks, and all with no coding. So without further ado, here we go. To implement the BlackBerry SDK, you go into the management category on appdome, scroll down to the EMM services toggle button, toggle that to on, and then you'll see from the drop-down menu a list of all the EMM vendors that appdome supports. We support all major EMM SDKs. To implement BlackBerry, you simply select the BlackBerry SDK from the drop-down menu there, which I'm doing right now, and then input the required configuration fields and the optional configuration fields. So here I could go ahead and I've selected the SDK. I could go ahead and change the entitlement ID, which I'm going to do, to give it my own unique name. I've also got a couple of other options here. Dynamic container management is going to automatically ensure that the encryption is optimized. I'm also going to implement Kerberos constrained delegation, or KCD, for authentication, which will leverage the BlackBerry built-in authentication mechanism, which uses KCD for users to authenticate. So I just input the protected URL that will trigger the KCD authentication. I'm also going to implement several additional BlackBerry services to connect to the SDK. One is the secure browser. So what this feature does is, for any links that are clicked inside the app, it will open them in the BlackBerry secure browser instead of the default browser that is shipped with the operating system. I'm also going to implement BlackBerry's in-app launcher, and what this does is it provides a nice easy navigation path for users to get to any of their secured apps from no matter where they are within the app. They can get one-click access to all their BlackBerry apps. And when I'm ready to go, I complete this integration by clicking the green Build My App button, and the appdome platform automatically will implement the SDK and all of the other features that I selected to this app in about a minute's time frame. And right now, the appdome platform is implementing all of the features that I selected, the BlackBerry SDK, plus secure browser, plus launcher, plus the security and encryption functionality that I also enabled. It's implementing all those features to the app right now in real time without any coding. And now finally, I will sign the app, and then that'll complete the integration, and the app will be fully productized, and then we'll show it deployed through the BlackBerry internal app store. So now we'll show what it looks like from my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and install the app to my iPhone from BlackBerry UEM, which I just accessed. This is the App Store now, where this app is listed. Go ahead and click that button, the free button, and it's going to start downloading, installing the app to my phone, which should start any second here. There it goes. There's the download. Occurring on my iPhone from BlackBerry UEM, the App Store within. It's an internal enterprise app store. The app is installed. Now when I open it up, it'll automatically invoke the BlackBerry SDK and start the provisioning process, which I'm doing right now through UEM. I go ahead and enter the password once. It allows me to change it. This provisioning just has to happen once, and then the KCD will kick in, and the EMM will trust automatically. There'll be a trust relationship between the app and the EMM. See, it's scrolling through the entitlement and the authorizations, and that's it. I'm now in the Oracle BI mobile app. That little BlackBerry icon that you see swirling around, that is your launcher that I implemented in the app, and basically that'll allow you to navigate to your app store or take you directly to your fused, secured BlackBerry apps in your container. And with that concludes my presentation. Hope you enjoyed. Reach out with any questions to alan@appdome.com. Thank you.